Num 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 num. Wow, I love these pig ear cookies.
Oh, Mama's so mean, huh? Love you. Love you. All right, off you go.
Let's find
Run,
out.
run, 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 run. Off you go. She's like,
No, I want some.
all right. Well, hi, everybody. I'm Corey, and you're watching Casual Girls Adventures, and this is Chad. Yay! Okay, well, you guys, we got something cool today. This is our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo! All right, you guys, these are umbrella cookies. Biscuits.
Wait a minute.
Wait.
Hasn't Dad always grew up calling them pig ears?
Yes, he has.
Ooh.
And if you look really closely, you can see why. Don't they look like a pig ear? It looks like a pig ear, but they call them umbrella cookies. Because if you turn them that way, then it looks like a little umbrella. You need to put a stick there. Save me from the rain.
Like?
Anyway, we got these swirly looking little things. Looks like 2 different flavors in there. I don't know what flavors they are. And with tiny little itty bitty black sesame seeds, or just maybe regular sesame seeds in there mixed in. It's really cool. I've seen them made before, not in person, through TV and stuff like that, just like on some kind of channel or something. But anyway, they're really cool. So these are what we're going to try for you today. Umbrella / pig ears. Yay! Aha. Anyway, they're cookies. They're yummy biscuits. You ready to try one, Chad?
Yes.
Yay! Cheers.
No.
That was a serious crunch there. They do have a nice crunch to them. I can taste like a
Salt a little bit? Almost?
no. I don't know how to describe the flavor. These are different, but they're really good. Oh, like a little bit of brown sugar, maybe.
Maybe.
I can taste some brown sugar in there. A little bit of the the sesame oil. I can taste a little bit of sesame oil in there from the sesame seeds that are in there. It has a nice smooth texture as you're eating it. It's crunchy at first.
They're not too crunchy.
No, not too crunchy. You get like a nice little smooth flavor. Like a little bit of brown sugar, a little bit of like wheat flour or something like that in there. And that's what I feel. And I really like these ones a lot too. And I'm going to go ahead and give my star rating because it's really kind of, I don't know too much more to describe them. There's not too much going on. They taste really good. My star rating on these are 4.5. Nice. That one looks different. Anyway, what's your star rating on them?
I am going with a 4.5.
4.5 also. All right. That sounds really good. Sounds just about right. It's really cool. I like the little swirl. The little swirl look in them.
Yeah.
Hi, Daisy. Huh? You want to try it? Come on. Yay. Uh-oh. Mommy let go too soon. I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah. But I like the little swirl look in them. Isn't it really cool looking how they do it? I like how they made them. But I think it's really cool. I like how they look and how they like indented it. It really does look like an umbrella, or as Chap grew up calling them,
Pig ear.
pig ears. If you look real closely, I guess you can say like that way they do, or this is what I was looking at. They do pig ears. I think it's really cute. And they have a nice, good little like brown sugar, like creamy type flavor. Here. Daisy approves.
Crunch.
Crunchy too, huh?
Yeah.
But, well, no. Can't have it.
No.
Well, anyway, these are just kind kind of simple, quick little video we got going on here. But we like these. We recommend these. Let me see if I can see some ingredients. Was I right? Well, anyway,
Wheat flour.
I can't read Chinese. Oh, I see the English. Yeah, it does have wheat flour in it. So I was right. I did taste the wheat and sesame oil.
Actually, palm oil. Sugar.
Brown sugar, yep.
Black,
And sugar. Black sesame seeds. Okay. But anyway, and then just different types of spices and salt and stuff like that.
I knew I just did salt.
Yeah, you did. But anyway, this is our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo! All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button if you're watching this. I know you can do it. Just like that. And turn on that notification bell. If you guys like my videos, please get it out and share it around for me. Because I noticed my views are kind of low. And we've been really enjoying these a lot, making these videos. They've been lots of fun. But I'm not getting very many views, and I don't want to have to not do them. I really want to try to bring new foods to everybody, so it would mean a lot to me. But anyway, you guys, that's enough rambling on. Thank you so much again. I appreciate you watching, and take care, everyone. Bye!